how to fix Instagram black screen in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, if you want to know how to fix Instagram black screen easily, just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, as you can see. Now just search for Instagram, scroll like this until you find it and then click. After you click on it, there's two ways to fix the black screen. So the first way is you need to click on force stop and then go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. Go back and click on the storage and click here on clear data. Go back again. That's the first way, and I hope it will help you. If it didn't, then you need to uninstall Instagram app and reinstall it again from the Play Store. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.